Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Gemini not working. So if Gemini isn't loading or responding properly in your browser, follow along step by step to solve the problem. All right, let's dive in. First, open your browser on your computer. Once your browser is open, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings. After opening Settings, look at the left side and click on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Third-Party Cookies, then select See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Type Gemini into the search box. You might notice that Gemini doesn't appear directly in the results. That's completely normal. The reason is that Gemini's cache files are stored inside Google's data. So, find and expand the Google section. Inside it, look for Gemini, then clear the cache files connected to it. This helps remove corrupted or outdated data that may be causing Gemini to stop working. Now, go to left side menu and click on Extensions in your browser. Disable any active extensions since some extensions can interfere with Gemini and cause errors. Once you've done that, try opening Gemini again and check if the problem is fixed. If Gemini is still not working, you can also try using a different browser. Sometimes switching browsers can solve compatibility issues. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix Gemini when it's not working properly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy guides.